Okay, today we're back to the factory. This is our third factory to protection the some small parts such as hiders, cone hiders. You see this one? This one is one of the cone hider. It is to equipped with the levels GM18. GM18 is a combine harvester. It not only harvests wheat, it also can harvest corn and soybean. Just need to change the hider. So I'm taking you to see there. You see the back. Here you can see. Here is very important because different harvesters, the contact part is different. Not only this also the transport systems for power transport is different. So for different harvesters, we need to do some OEM order different decisions. Not only for combine, we also doing corn hider for the rest harvester. It used very good. You know, corn harvester. The most important technical is the hider. Hider better, then you will get a good harvesting result. The corn hider have a lot of different technicals. They are different using for different corn and different growing time the corn. So if you want to know more information about the corn hider or combine harvester, you can share us information. We will reply you.这先着往这里，先着点是吧？好，我得往中走的。好，好，往北走。